Hello friends, welcome back to Learn with Ansh. My name is Ansh and in this video we are going to be discussing about solving inequalities easily. So let's get started. So let's discuss about what we are going to cover in this video. So first we'll discuss about inequalities, what are inequalities, then we'll solve some inequalities, and then finally I'll give you some challenge problems which you have to do and leave the answer in the comment box below. I'll check it and reply whether it's right or wrong. Alright, so what are inequalities? An inequality compares two values showing if one is less than, greater than, or simply not equal to another value. Example, 2x minus 5 is greater than 7. So here, instead of an equal to sign which we use in equations, we have used a greater than sign. So let's see some signs which represent inequalities. So we have not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, and less than equal to. So not equal to means basically is that the first value is simply not equal to the second value. Okay, so it is like not equal to the second value. Okay, then greater than. So greater than basically means that the first value is greater than the second value. So we can say like 5 is greater than 3, right? Less than is complete opposite of greater than. The first value is less than the second value. Okay, now we have greater than equal to. So it's basically the first value is greater than or equal to the second value. Then we have less than equal to. So this is basically like the first one is less than or equal to the second value. So it is not that complex, these signs. So now let's go through some simple examples. X is not equal to 10, so x can be any number which is not equal to 10. It can be 9, 5, 100, negative 3, right? It can be any number which is simply not equal to 10. Okay, now we have the next example, which is f is greater than 3. Okay, so f can be any number which is greater than 3. It can be 4, 7, or it can even be 3.0001. Now some more examples. Negative 6 is less than y. So y is any number which is greater than negative 6. So here we have just swapped things. Like previously we had the variable on the left side and the number on the right side, but here we have the number on the left side and variable on the right side. So y is any number which is greater than 6. So y can be negative 5, 4, or even 0. Now how is negative 5 greater than negative 6? So if you imagine a number line, so any number on the right side of the number line is greater than the number on the left side of the number line, right? So negative 5 is on the right side of the number line and negative 6 is to the left side of negative 5. So which is greater? Negative 5. And 4 and 0, obviously they're positive numbers, so they are greater. Now we have p is less than equal to 5. So it is any number which is less than or equal to. So it can be 4, negative 25, they both are less, even 5, because remember we have less than equal to. Or it can also be negative 10 lakh 2. Okay, too many zeros. Alright, now let's go to the most interesting part, solving inequalities. So here I have 2x plus 1 is greater than 5. So here we have the equation. So what we are going to do, as we had done in the algebra video, you can check that out. It covers most of it which we are going to discuss today. Okay, so we are going to give plus 1 a nice big kick and send it to the other side of the greater than sign. And plus 1 becomes minus 1. Now how do you know which sign becomes what sign? Well, for that also you need to check my algebra video. I'll link a card and also in the top of the description box. You can check it out. Alright, now 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now we're going to send 2 a big kick. Okay? So that 2 becomes division, right? From multiplication it becomes division. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So x is greater than 2. So x can be any number which is greater than 2. X can be 3, 6, 3678, 2.00000001, right? It can be any number which is greater than 2. Now let's practice some problems on our own, okay? So here I have p is not equal to 4. 4x plus 3 is less than 6x plus 2, okay? So first thing, I want you to pause the video and try to do these on your own. Okay, I expect you to pause the video and done the problems. So let's discuss about the answers now. So the first one, p divided by 2 is not equal to 4. So we are going to send 2 a big kick. It becomes multiplication. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So p is not equal to 8. P can be any number which is not 8. Now the second question, let's bring it back. 4x plus 3 is less than 6x plus 2. Now what we are going to do, we are going to interchange the positions of plus 2 and 4x. So plus 2 will go to the left side and 4x will come to the right side. So we will get something like this. 3 minus 2 is less than 6x minus 4x. So 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1 and 6x minus 4x is 2x. So this is what we get. 1 is less than 2x. Okay, now we're going to send 2 a big kick and it will become division. So 1 by 2 is less than x. 1 by 2 is 0.5 and 0.5 is less than x. This is what you get. So x is any number which is greater than 0.5. Okay, so it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 10,000, it can be 10 lakhs, any number which is greater than 0.5. It can also be 0.6. Alright, now for the challenge problems. So the first challenge problem is 4x plus 8 is greater than 7x minus 2. Second one is 9 minus j is less than 2j. And the third and the final one is 4k minus 2 is not equal to 10. So these are the challenge problems. Now go ahead and solve this. And that's it for this video. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep practicing and goodbye.